The transportation module in Clean Energy Desktop software. Okay, the other modules dealing with hydrogen, natural gas, and electric cars all looked at an individual vehicle and the impact that it would have using that particular power source as compared to gasoline or diesel. In this module, we're going to understand transportation energy from a national perspective, all of these vehicles. And the huge impact that conversion to these alternate sources can have. So what we're going to do, there are about 250 million cars on the, and trucks on the road in the U.S. We're going to select some number of vehicles to convert. So why not just say we'll take a percentage of all of them. So I'll set the max number here, 250 million vehicles. We'll say that the average CAFE standard for all of these vehicles is about 18 miles per gallon. Trucks, cars, all lumped together, about 18 miles per gallon. I think it might be more than 17, but that's a good number to use. And then the average number miles per year, we'll select 33,000 miles per year. Okay, let's move down to the vehicles themselves. Okay, so we can select percentages here of electric, natural gas, and biofuel vehicles. So for electric, we'll move it up to 8%. Let's say 8% of the nation's fleet become electric cars. That's 20 million vehicles. Doesn't take very long to, or very high percentage to get a lot of cars involved. For natural gas, we'll say 5%. I would say a little higher. Let's go to say 11%. That's 27, almost 28 million vehicles. And for biofuel, 3%, 7.5 million vehicles. So the total here is 22% of the nation's fleet convert to some energy efficient electric, natural gas, or biofuel. With that in mind, let's run the analysis, calculate the results, and see what the benefits are. So, as you'd expect, it's huge for import oil reduction. As a matter of fact, it backs out 1.5 billion barrels per year of imported oil, which was quite large. Further, this particular mix backs off 274 million tons per year of CO2 emissions. That's a big number. It does require an additional 165,000 megawatt hours of energy, and that's part of the model. It's figured in, the additional energy domestically produced through the electric grid, supplied by the grid. And then the additional natural gas is quite large, of course, to fuel that many vehicles. We're looking at like 4 trillion additional cubic feet of natural gas to fuel those cars, CNG, and an additional 8.9 billion gallons per year of biofuels. But biofuels are domestic. Natural gas is 96-97% domestic, and the power generation would be all domestic, therefore backing out the oil import and gaining a CO2 advantage.